Another negative trait of the soul is speaking too often. This is caused by desiring the attention of people, or when one does not understand the risk of vain and evil words. A Muslim should be aware that their speech is recorded, and they will be held accountable for them. Chapter 50 Kaf, verse 18.
He, i.e., man utters no word except that with him is an observer prepared to record.
One should always remember the narration of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 3970. It warns that it only takes a single evil word to cause one to plunge into hell on Judgment Day. In fact, according to a narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 3973, speech is the main cause of people entering hell on Judgment Day. It is best for each Muslim to act on the short but extremely far-reaching advice of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6018. He advised Muslims to either speak good words or remain silent. Chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 114.
No good is there in much of their private conversation, except for those who enjoin charity or that which is right or conciliation between people. And whoever does that seeking means to the approval of Allah, then we are going to give him a great reward.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.